Hello everyone, you are watching and listening to Lewanso. In this episode, I would like to make an introduction of our exams mobile phone app. Now let's open the switch and connect them. After clicking our mobile phone app, you can see there are three parts: My Exam, Create, and My Action. Let's focus on the first part in this episode. You need to search for exams device first and connect them. You can see the interface of our exam. This red board is reset button. If you click it, all the position of the server will turn to their original place, which means all the values comes to 500. From the top to the bottom, you can see the server 1 to server 6. You can drag this mini blue bubble to change the value and set the position of the server. You can see just like this. As for this custom button, it is used to call the action group that we programmed before. In the following episode, I would like to show you how to program exams action through mobile phone app. See you next time.